Hey y'all, I am at the Wegner Crystal Ranch in Mount Ida, Arkansas. I'm trying out a GoPro for the first time, so this is what I'm seeing. I have to be here at 8:30 for the special Phantom Quartz mining experience. I don't think they're open yet, but I got here a little early so I can take some footage of the grounds and everything. Oh, look at this thing. Hope the audio is working well. I only had this camera to play with like since last night, so we'll see how that goes. And try to make it down to the sign, but I also have like only a few minutes, but we'll see. The drive here was pretty. Oh, maybe that's another one of my 9 expedition companions. We'll see. There's the sign. On the drive here, I saw a deer that almost crossed the road. This morning, there were like 2 dogs playing in the road. It was also this like fog, like towards like, I guess during twilight, and you could just tell like you were in like the foothills of something and climbing up. All right, almost there. I don't know if that's Mount Ida or for like I guess I'm on Mount Ida right now, or the whole area is just called Mount Ida. I'm interested in those columns. They're already like twinkling and sparkling from here. I don't know if that's gonna like show up in the video or not, but I see it. There's another person. So we shall see. Yeah, there's some definite twinkling. Oh, there's quartz all over. That's really cool. I think this place was like established in, it was either like 1979 or 81, something like that, where like Richard Wagner was looking for a new place to stay, to leave like Illinois cold and everything, and he ended up finding this property in Arkansas, and at the time he did not know that, I guess, what a wealth of quartz was present. So I guess he, stumbled upon his proverbial gold mine. Right, let's see. I guess I need to get out of the way. But in terms of like sustainability and everything, he from the little that I've read, and that's why I wanted to come here, because out of all the crystal mining places, this seemed like the one that was maybe most wholesome, because like Richard Wagner's I guess, supposed first and primary goal was like protecting the environment and like, you know, thinking of like maybe ethically or morally sound ways to harvest crystals to benefit like people, while maintaining, like, you know, I mean, it's a business, so there's that part. And also you know, doing so in a way that would not cause, I guess, too much harm to the environment. All right, I gotta get back, but let's see how much more I can get before it's 8:30. 7 minutes. And I don't know how to like pause the video yet. I didn't have that much time to experiment with the camera before I am putting it to use. I'm already dreading like the box of the heavy duty tool backpack that I have in the car that I'm gonna have to like lug around. And I think to get to the place where we will be mining Phantom Quartz, it's like a maybe 30 to 40 minute ride on this truck that takes us to wherever it is that we have to go to do it. There's also another mining area here called the Crystal Forest, and both of those just sound really pretty. But yeah, I've heard that it can take people sometimes upwards of 2 years to even be able to get put on the list and be able to go in the Phantom Quartz area. She's getting ready and dusting off her shoes. But we will be working in red clay, and I think it's going to stain every bit of us. Alright, almost there. There's a lot of crystals and everything on the outside. There's a big dog. And then I'm trying to make it to the carved statue. Good morning. How you doing? A tree that's lightning struck and has been turned into a statue of St. Michael. Ooh, pretties all the way, all over, shinies. Almost there. Okay, let's see. There's a statue of St. Michael. And we'll end here. If I can get a good shot of it. Well, I guess you're not supposed to see angels, right? That's it.